my god.
Oh yes.
The smell reminded her of cold winter nights back home. Cooking competition. The school gym was filled with the smell of spices, herbs, and something sweet. Tables were lined up in rows, each holding bowls, knives, and colourful ingredients. It was time for the annual cooking competition. Maya stood at her table, her apron tied tight, her recipe in hand. She was going to make her grandmother's famous vegetable soup and a small apple pie for dessert. Her hands trembled with excitement. Around her, other students were already chopping, stirring, and tasting. There was music playing softly in the background and a buzz of friendly competition. The teacher walked around with a clipboard, stopping to ask questions. "What are you preparing today?" she asked Maya. "Vegetable soup and apple pie," Maya replied. "Everything is fresh and homemade." The teacher smiled and moved on. Maya got to work. She washed the vegetables carefully, then chopped onions, carrots, and potatoes. The pot began to warm on the small stove, and she added oil and garlic. Steam rose as the vegetables cooked. She added water, salt, and a few herbs. The smell reminded her of cold winter nights back home.
Oh my god.
Oh yes.
Next, she began the pie. She rolled out the dough, sliced the apples, and sprinkled them with cinnamon and sugar. The crust was golden and soft in her hands. As time passed, the judges walked by, watching each student. Maya kept working, careful not to rush. Finally, time was up. The bell rang and all hands stopped. Plates were cleaned, tables wiped, and dishes placed neatly in front of each student. Maya stood behind her table as the judges approached. They tasted her soup first, then the pie. They nodded, but said nothing. After what felt like hours, the winners were announced. Maya didn't win first or second place, but when her name was called for third, her heart jumped. She walked up to accept her ribbon, smiling shyly. The crowd clapped, and someone gave her a thumbs up. Later that evening, she sat with her friends in the cafeteria, sharing the last slice of pie. They laughed and talked about the day. Maya didn't need to win first place. She felt proud of her cooking and proud that she had tried her best. That was enough.